Hello. So this is the sheet I delivered you, and our system detects some topics for your website that you can write about. So these are the main topics: outdoor family activities, indoor family fun, and these are the subtopics. So you can also collect keywords, find keywords on these subtopics, and you can create a main category page or something and write these subtopics into these categories. So now let's answer your query, which is the cluster tab. And the cluster tab is currently this is the number, you can ignore it. And this is the topic, total search volume. The topic is artistic activities, and in artistic activities, our system clustered this craft, easy craft, summer paper craft, these kinds of things, craft and paper, these kind of things they include in artistic activities. So this is the total search volume of this cluster sheet, and this is the cluster. So if you were writing article, then you should work on cluster. And let's talk about the keywords. These are the keywords. If I give you an example, this is the example, fall craft for kindergarten, and total search volume for this is the total sum of the search volume, average CPC. And these are the keywords you can include in this article. So this will be the main article, main pillar article, and these will be the keywords that you want to rank for, or Google automatically will pick many of these keywords from this article. If you check the search console, you will get many keywords on a single article. So best outdoor toys, as you can see, best outdoor toys for 5 years old, best garden toys. So you can work on this. And one thing, our system automatically clustered these keywords, and you will get the details clusters in details here. These are the singles cluster sheet. And the non-clustered keywords, this might be a single topic or single article, or you can include these the single keywords into your main articles, like a fall craft for kindergarten. If you're writing fall craft for kindergarten, you can just check the non-cluster keywords. You will get easy science craft, easy recipe and craft, drawing ideas for a student. This can be a simple handwriting art. So this can be a single article, so per keyword. So I will write a keyword article on drawing ideas for a student, like 50 drawing ideas for students, simple hand art ideas for kids or toddlers. So this kind of keywords. So always here's the thing. So when you're writing content on fall craft for kindergarten or any of these keywords, just copy the keyword and check the SERP. You will say your competitor writing, what are they writing, what are the intent of this keyword. You will get many ideas from that, and this sheet will guide you to write or follow the main keywords are here. You can target in your articles to rank for, and these are the average CPC. And if you scroll right, you will see the search volume of these keywords, and you get the CPC per keywords. You will get all in title result, like all in title result fall craft for kindergarten. There is only one result available on this keyword, targeting the title, the blog title, and you will get the golden ratio score here. And the cluster subtype is our system detected this keyword might be fall on article type. This is a schema, and cluster intent is informational, so this could be a informational article, right? And the cluster micro intent is expansional, and here's the awareness. So these are the cluster buying journey. So these are the awareness informational article. So our system clustered everything for you. You just need to pick the keyword first. To write content, you can just go to SERP, Google, and analyze your competitor. And when writing article, just check this sheet, non-cluster keywords. You can get many ideas to include in your